Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the quality control and inspection. Inspection, it is checking of the products with respect to quantity or quality. Generally we bother about the quality when inspection is considered. And inspection, there are different types of inspection like raw material inspection, in process, that is work in process inspection, and final product, that is final inspection. So raw material inspection we do because we want to assure that uh, supplier is sending the right material to us. Whatever quality has been demanded from the supplier, he is providing the right material to us, because the final quality of our product depends on the supplier's quality. So raw material or incoming inspection or inspection of the components, it is equally important. Then in process inspection, because if the product is faulty in between the any stage, then it should not be processed further, because all the cost will be wasted. So that is in process inspection. And final inspection, it is done because the faulty product should not be shipped to the customer. So these are types of inspection. Again, inspection, it can be centralized or decentralized, or it is online or offline. Online inspection, it is done in shop floor on the machine itself while the work is going on, and operator itself does online inspection, and accordingly he does further processing of the component, and he may change some setting in the machine. So that is online inspection. Offline inspection, it is generally carried out in standards room. It is known as standards room or inspection room. It is highly sophisticated room, generally air conditioned, and very few people are allowed in that room. Hardly 4 or 5 people at a time should be allowed. And in that, say, lab, there might be sophisticated instruments like CMM, that is coordinate measuring machine. You may have a microscope, you may have height gauge, and all sophisticated instruments, circular reading measuring machine, etc. So whatever are required for company's products, these are kept in that standards or inspection room, and expert people handle it. Of course, it is used for sampling purpose. You can't go there and check each and every product. Next is say quality control. What is quality control? It is the process through which we measure the actual quality performance and compare it with the standard and take corrective action. So actual quality performance, that can be measured with the help of measuring instruments, and the set standards, these are decided by the, say, manufacturer or quality control manager, that what is intended in his mind to produce or to hand over to the customer. And after inspection, he can compare this, that whether the set standards are achieved by the manufacturing process or not, and then if there are some deviations, corrective measures are taken in the future. So inspection generally bothers about the past production. It only tells whether components are accepted or rejected. And quality control, it takes about the it talks about the future production, or it takes care about the further production, that whether existing process is okay, existing say measuring system is sufficient, or you should have some changes. So that is suggested by the quality control. Then it is an effective system for integrating quality development, quality maintenance, and quality improvement efforts in various groups in an organization. So inspection, it is responsibility of individual operator, while quality control, it is responsibility of entire organization. That is the basic difference. Then in inspection, we use measuring instrument like vernier caliper, micrometer, height gauge, etc., hardness tester. In quality control, we use statistical tools generally. So we use SQC, SPC, 7QC tools. We use mainly control charts to see that whether existing processes, say, effective or sufficient for the production, and if some changes are to be carried out, you have to take the further action. So that can be done with the help of quality control charts. we see normal distribution curve, then we make use of the other techniques like TQM etc. in this. Then the quality control, as I have said, it is the responsibility of the entire organization, and inspection, it is the responsibility of only operator. So that is the basic difference. Quality control, it is a very broader term, and generally it is asked that whether inspection is a part of quality control. Yes, inspection is a part of quality control, no doubt. But quality control is a very broader term, and that is most important to entire organization. Thank you. All the best.